right, working on this 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. Exhaust manifold studs. Got this guy over here broke off. Turn so I can see it a little bit better. Yeah, this guy over here is broke off.
Hello, Mr. Todd. How are you, sir?
Working on this guy, trying to get all these ends out. Oh, that one's broke too, guys. Oh, that's gonna be fun. That's another one broke off. Holy shit balls. All right. All right, ready? 1, 2, 8. I think it's gonna break.
Prepare for snappage.
1, 2, snaps. Snappity snap snap. Welcome to Snaptown.
Oh, snap!
Oh, snappus. What'd you say? Put the snap down on it?
What crackle pop? Oh, snap!
Snap! Here comes the fun one. And this is the one I always break off, and it comes right out. I call this one the fun one because it's the one that's under the motor mount. And it's usually the one that's hardest one to drill out.
Yep.
Oh, that one don't feel too good. Snap, crackle, pop time. Oh, I'll bring it on again. Likes it. I don't run that over. Well, I mean, you can, but. We get one every Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of. Mechanic's worst nightmare. Ugh. Broken exhaust manifold bolts. Alright, let's see here. Doubt they're gonna come out really easily. Really seriously doubt it. Well, first things first, let's get some tape. Cover up this hole here. Valve is open on that hole, so we want to tape those guys up, that one and the rest of the cylinders. All of those guys, we want to tape them guys up because we do not want to get anything inside of those guys. Let's get some tape. Let's see how this guy looks in there. Yeah, it's not too far off. I think I can make that work. All right, this guy out of the way. Yeah, that'll work. That'll get nice center punch right there. Gently. Sorry, GoPro for all the legalness. One of those deals. Want to get in there and film it for these guys. Everything else. Oh, there's that bottom one. This one here is pretty uneven. Now the fun part is here's some hammer. Well, that definitely is not centered. No stretch of imagination. That's it. Ooh, that one's way off, guys. Oh man, let's see. I'm gonna get this in here. Time to see win or lose. Let's see what we got here. The only thing you don't want to do is break this off inside of there. And then it's a pull ahead type thing.
A few moments later.
Put this side back together.
Want to
spirit say